Rigor here from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin, and as you can see, I got an empty spot in the driveway here. Yep, no truck. I got it in the body shop, having some rust fixed on it, inner and outer rocker panels. Got some little movies, some things you might like to see. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Well, if you recall in previous videos, working on the truck, I crawled underneath it, and I had a problem with the steps on the side of the truck falling off. And that's the inner rocker panel was rusted out, and that's what the little runners or the steps on the truck connect to. So I sat there and basically pop riveted some aluminum plates, did a little silicone work, sealed it up until I can get it repaired. Well, now I'm getting it repaired. It's taken almost it took almost 6 months to get the parts to repair the truck. The inner and outer rocker panels, you buy them, some came from Ford, some came from aftermarket, made in Taiwan, but finally, last October, my local body shop, place called Dave and Jim's Auto Body, got the parts, and they've been sitting on the shelf all the time I had the truck in Florida. So came back, and of course I got to get in line. So it's June, and it took 6 weeks to get in line, and now we're getting the truck fixed. So that's what's going on, and let me show you what they're doing. So here's the place doing my car, Dave and Jim's Auto Body, and it should be done in a week.
You're from the fender? And we e-coat panel before we put it on.
So this is the new one right here?
Yes. That's the new inner. So we e-coat it before we put it on.
What's e-coat?
Epoxy primer.
Oh, okay.
It's something that the factory never put on.
Yep.
As you can see it on
And these are the outers?
Those are the outers.
Okay.
And I've got behind the truck, I've got one of the brackets.
Brackets. Oh, damn! Here's some of my handiwork.
There's your handy glue. There's your rocker. Go outside. I'll let you take a picture in front of the fender. What I was trying to say.
You know, I just did this because of
this is the front of your fender. There's not too much left for mounting. Yes. And then the bottom's getting weak. So in time, you're going to change the fenders.
Okay, fix that temporarily. A little weld or something?
Weld to what? Rust? No. We'll make it secure. We won't put epoxy glue.
What's
Those are your running boards.
Oh, that's something else.
Yeah, that's. So, like I say, the easy side's done.
Okay.
Now we'll get onto the other side.
So this is, once it's done, this is what it's like, huh?
That is all painted and clear already. With the exception, we've got to spray the on the inside of the rockers before we put your steps back on.
Okay.
Yeah. Just like factory.
Okay. Okay. While I was at Dave and Jim's, there was a 1959 Cadillac convertible sitting there. I'd like to take and show this to you. I think you'll find it interesting.
Series 62.
59 Caddy.
Series 62. It's not a Coupe-de-Ville, it's not an Eldorado, it's a Series 62.
My God. This is... This is awesome. And you, what have you done on this?
A lot of mechanical work, frame pulling, welding, lining up the headlights. Now we're gonna give it alignment.
Did you paint it?
No.
Okay. So you straighten the frame.
Yeah, because this version got a big frame.
Yep.
Wheels are laying in. There's not enough shim to take out. So we actually put it in the rack and actually pull out the cross member.
Because I see it's on the frame.
Yeah. So I've got the left side done. We put it on the rack. It turned out perfect. I pulled the right side. Now I got to put it back on the rack to make sure we're fine before we align it. Before we finish it up. Give it back.
So I always got a little story to tell you. Just wondering if you knew why the chicken joined the band. He had the drumsticks. How about that? Truck all put back together. They put the doors back on. They got the running boards on. They got some work left to do underneath. I guess they got to spray a seam sealer or something. But that's all repaired. So I've got to pick it up here. But that's the end of the project.